Hey everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and this is more or less a follow-up video to my one that I did where I went to Edgewater Park and showed the frozen Lake Erie, and also we went to Euclid Creek Reservation or Reservoir and showed you guys what Euclid Beach looks like today or about a week ago, and that was all frozen over. Well, it's like 50 degrees out today. I'm in Willoughby Hills, I think Willoughby Hills area, and this is Pleasant Valley Road over here. That it's like a one-lane bridge, and we're coming up to the Chagrin River, and yeah, there's been flood alerts going on for the East Lake area, and I could see why, because check it out. Look at this ice buildup over here. Wow. Look at that. Wow. There were people that were being interviewed up in the East Lake area that were down by the water, and you could actually hear the water running underneath the frozen ice. So oh, look at the drone right over there. You got that? Isn't that cool? Oh, there's the drone people over there. Okay. Yeah, I'm in the process of getting a drone myself. I think that that's a great idea that they have their drone out for that. It can get into spots over there. Pretty cool. Yeah, I got to ask them what kind of drone they have, because I bought a Holyton and it wouldn't power up, so I returned it. And now I'm in the process of looking at a DJI Mini 4. And that might, it still is not, you won't have to get a FAA permit for it because it's under 249 grams. But I got to get off this bridge because there's a car coming. But yeah, having a drone here would be perfect. So this is a DJI drone, right?
DJI Air RS.
Wow. And how much time can you fly it for? Is it good for like 30 minutes or air time?
I think it's good for about 30, 45 minutes on one battery. I have 3
wow.
batteries.
Nice.
So it can go pretty good. And this is only my 3rd or 4th time flying it, and it's pretty easy to maneuver.
Is this your first drone, or have you had?
Yeah, I've never flown a drone before this thing.
Well, you're doing pretty good.
Thank you.
The problem that I had with my Holyton is it doesn't have a gimbal. So
this gimbal is incredible.
Yeah, you could shake it and the camera would be steady, you know?
Yeah, I mean, look at the camera and just like, it's so stable. It's
yeah. And it looks like it's fun to fly too.
It is extremely fun.
See, I would not go with that because I'm worried about crashing it, maybe more than and to fly it over Lake Erie, which is what I would end up doing, and then it goes down, I'm like, oh my God, there went $1,500.
I understand that. I've been very careful with this thing.
Yeah.
I'm struggling right now to get it right.
Does it have the follow feature too?
Yeah,
where it follows you? Yeah.
I haven't used that yet, but
yeah.
I saw some YouTube videos on that that just look insane.
Yeah. So. Well, this one's going to be in a YouTube video now too, so there you go. Right. All right. Look at how it's all broken up over. Look at how thick that ice was, and the way it just buckled away. That's insane. This is actually the shoreline right over here where I'm standing. And the water is flowing over here. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that guy's drone over there, but I'm a little bit priced out of the 1,500 range over there, yes. Yeah, I'm probably going to be thinking of more like a 275.
What did you say your YouTube was?
The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle.
With Ed?
And Michelle.
Cool.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. And make sure you give me a comment so that I can link you to other stuff. Jesse, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll find you right now.
Thank you a lot. Have a good one. Yeah. Young man. He's a very nice guy. And he just bought the drone. He's only flown it for 3-4 times. And he's got some excellent footage. And he does have a YouTube channel, but he hasn't uploaded anything to it yet. So hopefully he'll connect with us, and then I could link his YouTube channel to my YouTube channel so you could watch his drone footage. How cool would that be? All right, I'm glad I came down here. And I'm glad that you guys stayed to the very end. This is the Pleasant Valley Bridge over here. And that's Route 6 over there. I've been here before for another video with Michelle, but it's been a long time. So I wanted to show you guys what the Chagrin River looks like. And I wish I had my drone now, because can you imagine the awesome footage that I could have been connecting to this video? All right. But I'm going to buy a better one that will give you guys the kind of quality that you deserve. All right. Thanks again, everyone. Stay safe and have a great, great indoors everything. Bye-bye.